What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video, guys, we do have an update on Bonk, guys. Yes, it is another day where it has hit a huge green candlestick and it is up just about 40% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at this value here. So as usual, we're going to be going through what is next for Bonk. Is it still a crypto worth investing into in 2024? Is it overvalued? If you're on a profit, should you sell it before it crashes back down, or is there still time to invest into it before it pumps up even higher? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the short term and over the long term in 2024. What can we expect, and is it worth buying it, the crypto? So before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So on another positive note, Bitcoin has hit over $65,000, guys, and hence why majority of the cryptocurrencies are also on the green side. So the crypto market is looking quite bullish for the second half of February and so far in March as well. So again, today's focus is on Bonk. So at the moment, we are looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale. Let me bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So at the top, we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Bonk, which is here in purple. However, the crypto is actually trading at a much higher value here in red, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the lines are looking quite steep as well. So this is not as realistic as it seems. Reason is looking quite bearish is because of the drop that took place earlier this morning. However, over the next 12 to 14 hours, I'm expecting a minimal increase in value from Bonk. Reason it's not a major increase and it's a minimal increase is because I'm also expecting it to hit red candles in between as well, to make it a little bit more sustainable. Even over the last couple of hours, yes, it has pumped up, but has also hit red candles in between. So it is likely to carry on in that direction over the next 12 to 14 hours as well, but not as steep as it has pumped over the last 12 hours. So potentially another 10% increase from this point onwards to the end of the day today is what I'm expecting. So nothing too crazy, so do expect green and red candles in between. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we expect here? So in this case, we're talking about over the next 7 to 8 days, towards the end of this week and early next week. We've got the orange line slanting towards the positive direction and the blue line slanting towards the negative direction. So what we have here is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So what does this specifically mean for Bonk is an overall fluctuation in value according to the graph. However, I am expecting it to pump up higher than where it is at the moment, hitting more green candles, especially that the crypto market is on the green side. I'm expecting it to pump up higher than where it is at the moment by the end of the week. Don't get me wrong, we are likely to experience a red day here and there in between, but the overall outcome is what matters, and at this point does seem to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. So do expect Bonk to be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment over the coming week. Now on to the interesting part of the daily chart, guys. Over the next 6 to 8 weeks, mid to late April 2024, as you guys can see, the blue and the orange line are looking way too steep, heading towards the bullish direction. So reason is looking so bullish is due to the fact of how much is pumped over the last 2 weeks. The graph thinks the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction. However, that is not the case. I'm expecting it to go for a price correction over the next 3 to 4 weeks, so late March, April time. I'm expecting Bonk to have dropped back down in value to around its SMA indicator here in purple is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. Pretty sure that's not what most of you guys expected for me to say over the long term. However, this is not sustainable, especially guys over the last week itself. It has gained nearly 200%, and over the month a massive 233%, guys. So the crypto is slightly overvalued, and I'm expecting it to go for a price correction over the coming weeks. So this personally is not a crypto that I would be investing into for the long term. So bringing up the Fibonacci scale here, we can see we are trading in the top tier level right now, and we have broken out from each resistance target here without much resistance. So that is another reason why it proves my point as to why the crypto is not sustainable and is slightly overvalued. So essentially what I'm expecting is for it to drop back down into the green zone by mid to late April and May, so going for a price correction all the way back down. I did expect that to happen last time it went for a pump back in December, and I expected it to drop back down in late December, early January, and that is exactly what's happened. So I'm expecting another repeat of what happened a few months ago from Bonk going through a price correction. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over nearly about 100% in the last 24 hours, making it $1.1 billion in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded. Reason being is it is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours, so it is getting a lot of attention and a lot of hype from it, from both buyers and sellers point of view. And I can see there's a lot of people buying the crypto right now, but make sure your risk management is on point for those of you guys who are investing into it, because it is at its highest point that it has ever been at. So that is always a risk, and again, especially that I'm expecting a price correction, is more of a risk. But again, it's entirely up to you guys if you guys want to buy it, sell it for the short term or long term. I'm just here to give you guys my prediction and my take on Bonk. Let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys expecting Bonk to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And also, if any of you guys have any other cryptocurrencies in mind that you guys want me to cover on this channel, let me also know in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to do that for you guys. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.